announced its financial results for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year ending on 31st August 2023. In the fourth quarter, the company achieved revenues of $16.0 billion, marking a 4% growth in both US dollars and local currency when compared to the same quarter in fiscal 2022. However, there was a decrease in GAAP operating income, which amounted to $1.91 billion, down from $2.27 billion in the fourth quarter of the previous year. Additionally, the operating margin for this quarter stood at 12.0%, down from 14.7% in the same quarter last year. Additionally, the company has announced a quarterly cash dividend of $1.29 per share. This dividend will be available to shareholders who are recorded as such by the end of business on 12th October 2023. Notably, this dividend represents a noteworthy 15% boost compared to the company's previous quarterly dividend. Shareholders can anticipate receiving this increased dividend on 15th November 2023.